Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's product review, we're going to be reviewing the Audio Legion CME69. These are the 6x9s. Now, if you know anything about Audio Legion, you know that they are going out of business, but you will be able to find these products at your local audio shops. And other companies will have the same design. But these speakers right now are still a very popular option because of their price point. Coming in at roughly $50 to $60 depending on where you buy them. They're 40 watts RMS. They're a great replacement for stock speaker. They look great. They have filter already built into them. So let's go ahead and open one of these up. See how it looks. And then we'll test it. So let me grab the spec sheet out for y'all. So we've got 40 watts RMS, 100 watts max, 88 dB. It's got a paper cone, 56 to 20,000 hertz. The overall dimensions are 237, 165 by 93 millimeters. So 6x9. Everything's not in inches. So it's from rim to end of magnet is 81 millimeters, 217 total width. FS is 56, SD is 209, BL is 4.426. It does have copper coil wire, and it has a high flux ferrite magnet. So that being said, let's go ahead and crack her open. Let me grab a knife. Well, I couldn't find a knife, but pry tool will work just as good. All right. Oh, and it comes with I did not know it actually came with a grill. I was thinking these are one of the few companies that didn't give grills. So that's a nice option. So, nice Audio Legion grill. Metal with plastic. And here it is. Very good looking speaker, honestly. Coated paper dust cap, cone with a nice rubber single layer surround. Looks like it does have an adapter ring that you could possibly pop out, but nothing wrong with that. Good size magnet for a stock replacement 6x9. It's got offset terminals, that way they could mount it with the filter right here. So that's nice. It's got a direct lead, not stitched in. So it's got red spiders. It's got nice tinsel leads that are direct, which means they're not stitched in. Pretty typical. But yeah, looks very nice. So let's go ahead and we'll hook her up. We're gonna do this on the dual head unit. That way it's right at a little bit under RMS power. Probably actually 20 RMS lower. And these obviously with clean power could get a little bit louder. And see how they sound. The dual head unit isn't nothing special or fancy. It's just what we use because we want a low RMS test. A lot of our speakers will be amplified. These probably will not because they're already sold to a customer and they're using this for a factory replacement in their vehicle. Okay, so we have the head unit set up. And I don't know how clear it will be on video, but let's go ahead and play some music. Like I said, low power, straight dual head unit. Out of your mouth, you wish someone else I'm missing, but I know you miss your old self too. Unspoken, there's only so. Really clear, sounds really good. Okay, so that was on the dual head unit. This head unit is a very crappy head unit. The reason I play these on this head unit to begin with is so we get a low power feel for these. So any speaker I test, everyone generally buys the speaker because they're a budget speaker or a good deal, and we want to know what they're going to sound like in either a factory head unit or a very cheap aftermarket head unit, because most of the time when you start out with car audio, especially younger kids that are going to be watching these videos, they're going to have a crappy dual head unit that came with their first vehicle or something like that, and we want to give them a real true experience of what it will sound like with that. Now, all the speakers besides these, unless I order more of these, will be amplified eventually. I do plan to get an amplifier and everything and a different head unit so we can test these to the max. So let me go ahead and just put the cover on this so y'all can see what it's going to look like, and we'll play it again. Very impressed with how these things sound super clear. They sound great. That looks really good. Obviously, most people are going to have them in a factory location. That tweeter in the middle sounds awesome. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and these are a speaker you want to get into, go ahead and leave a comment below, and depending on when you leave the comment, I'll either leave a link to these or a alternative, or technically the same speaker, different brand that makes it. But with that being said, guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Like I said, any comments you have, go ahead and leave them below. And if you don't like this video, I'm sorry. Please leave a comment with suggestions on how to make it better. Y'all have a great night. All right, Travis, here's your 6x9s. This one is on a dual head unit. It's getting about half power, if that. These speakers are actually really nice, man. I really like them. They sound really good. Alright, man, I hope you enjoy these. Definitely worth the $100 for 4 of these. They're going to sound great in the Corolla, or I mean Camry, my bad.